Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use electronic credit ledger balance in GST. Open the GST portal, go to Electronic Credit Ledger, view available ITC, and match invoices before applying credits to tax liabilities. Regularly reconcile your ledger entries with supplier returns and GSDR filings to avoid mismatches. Monitor blocked credits and expiries, and maintain supporting invoices and e-way bills for audit readiness. Open Electronic Credit Ledger and apply filters to reconcile by tax head and date to speed checks. Cross-reference ledger amounts with GSDR2B and supplier returns to identify missing or excess credits. When you adjust or reverse credits, record rationale and supporting docs so audits and internal reviews stay smooth. Regular monthly reconciliation reduces surprises and keeps your tax liabilities. Select the correct tax head and allocate electronic credit ledger amounts carefully to output liabilities to avoid errors. Do not use credits for different tax types that are not permitted under set-off rules. Track partial utilizations and keep GST challan details for each application so your accounting entries reconcile cleanly. Small routine checks prevent large adjustments later and keep filings consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.